Temps is a US-based company that delivers high-quality heating and cooling through energy-efficient mini-split heat pumps. Our mission is to bring homeowners across the country simple, supported climate control at their fingertips. Here are the values that help us provide an accessible, transparent, and reliable experience. Temps is run by people with real-world experience in the HVAC industry, so we can help you address complex heating and cooling needs with confidence. Our people-first approach means we show up as a trusted partner before purchase, during installation, and long after. That leads to better support, better products, and a better experience at home. We realize picking the right system can be complicated. Temps offers regional guidance, clear product details, and a smart B2U sizing calculator, so you can choose confidently, knowing every system is backed by key certifications and a 5-year warranty. Our 2 mini-split models reduce energy consumption and support a smaller carbon footprint. For you, this means access to rebates and lower energy bills. Temps, the easy way to bring comfort home.